Today I'm sharing a few useful finds that have been really helpful for my laser cutting and engraving projects. Let's start with this small sanding block. You can easily attach sandpaper in different grids and switch it out whenever you need to. It's comfortable to use, gives you better control while sanding, and works especially well on small laser cut pieces. It's a simple tool, but definitely one of those workshop items that makes finishing projects a lot easier. The next useful find is these finger sponge applicators. They are great for applying acrylic paint to small pieces, and I also use them for applying wood oil or stain to detailed laser cut parts. Instead of brushing, you can dab the finish onto the surface, which helps avoid visible brush marks and gives a more even result. For larger plywood pieces, I prefer using a foam brush. It's much faster and covers bigger areas more efficiently. Another handy tool is these plastic glue applicators. They make it easy to spread glue exactly where you need it, and the best part is that you can wash them and reuse them multiple times. Next up, clamps. Lots of clamps. The more the better. They are incredibly useful when gluing laser cut parts together and help keep everything aligned while the glue dries. If you regularly assemble wooden projects, you can never really have too many clamps. Another item I use all the time is these black acrylic paint markers. They are perfect for touching up exposed edges after painting. For example, on this medal you can see the green painted surface, and I use a marker to color the edge all the way around, so everything looks clean, neat, and professionally finished. And finally, this white paint marker. It has a very small tip, which makes it great for adding teeny details. I use it for drawing eyes on decorative pieces, adding small accents, or creating simple patterns and design on finished products. Thanks so much for watching. I hope some of these finds will be useful for your own laser projects. See you next time.